Happy fall, y'all! Let's make a plant-based protein pumpkin bread. You already know I had to put on my purely-inspired apron to get started. This recipe is so easy. It's just gluten-free flour, organic protein by Purely Inspired in French vanilla, some cane sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and some baking soda. But of course I add a little extra cinnamon for good measure. The full measurements are in the caption, but now that you have all your dry ingredients ready, just whisk them up until evenly combined and add in your wet ingredients. Pumpkin puree, a splash of water, a dash of oil, and 2 eggs. In this case, to keep it plant-based, I use 2 flax eggs. Stir up the rest of the ingredients and grease your baking pan and then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. The batter will look a little dense, but that's okay, that's what we want. Let the bread cool and then you're ready to dig in. Enjoy!